Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to change your skins in Minecraft. Also, please like and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm and it would really make me happy. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is download this cool app called Skindis. Make your own skins, whatever design you want. Also, other people have skins on the app. So let's get started. What you're going to want to do is press the pause menu, but you will need to make a skin. But Minecraft made skins too. So, as you can see, my skin's here. But we're going to wait for it to load, so I'm just going to skip to the part when I show you how to do it. Okay, guys, here we are. So, I have a lot more skins than this, but this one is made by Skindis. Okay, I'll also show you my brother's new skin I made for him. So, here, let's put his on. Here's his. He wanted me to do ice cream on his shirt, so that's exactly what I did. There we go. And then I'll go back to mine. Well, I'll be right back because I have to get to it. Okay, here we are, guys. So these are my skins I made with Skindis. So here's mine that you guys might have seen. My little kitty tail. I'm so happy I made that skin because I'm really happy I have a kitty tail. Well, now I'm going to show you my other ones. Okay, here's my other one. Yay! I love because you can put them in circles. Also, if you go down, if you got worlds on the Minecraft store, you can get these things on here. So if I wanted to, I just have spring friends. And look, I'm a fox now. I'm a bunny. I'm a raccoon. And I'm a cow. And another... Wait, is this a hamster or a mouse? I don't know! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it helped out. Well, bye, guys!